Get a little 470 horsepower for you right here. Jordan Robertson and his 92 Mustang. Just gonna hit this shit pretty fucking nasty, so see how this works out. So hopefully we get no cops. We just have to wait for him. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while. There's a lot of traffic right now, so I'm not sure if he can pull this off. But we'll hope for it. See how this works out. Hopefully he'll get a red light somewhere. You ever heard of a bad idea? Yeah, this is a bad idea right here. So, alright, well, we got open street here. Alright, so let's see how nasty this car fucking hits. Still waiting for Jordan. Still waiting. Oh, here he comes. That's 470 horsepower looking right at you, motherfucker.